Hey, how's it going?
It's going well, thanks. Just finished a tour, so still got that energy.
I'm doing pretty good, thanks. Just wrangling the usual network gremlins here at the college.
I'm doing great, feeling good after a morning run. How about you?
Yeah, all good. Tell me a little bit about you.
Well, by day, I design skyscrapers, making sure they can stand strong against anything.
Well, me, I'm Alice. My day job is keeping the IT infrastructure humming here at the community college. All the computers, the Wi Fi, making sure everything actually works for the students and staff. It's a lot of troubleshooting, but it's important work.
Where do I even begin? Music is my life, really. It's not just a job, it's how I breathe, how I process everything. Every song starts with something small, a flicker of an idea, and then it just grows.
Tell me about your new album.
My latest album, wow. That was a journey. It's called Echoes in the Static. It's a collection of songs born from those late night thoughts, the moments when everything gets quiet and all the noise outside just fades away. I poured a lot of myself into it, my vulnerabilities, my hopes. It's raw.
Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable real-time lip sync and facial animation for Reallusion characters using Convai's Unreal Engine plugin. As you interact with a character, Convai's conversational AI pipeline processes input through a multimodal LLM, generating contextual responses with AI voice output. Our in-house model NeuroSync then analyzes that audio in real time to produce synchronized blend shapes, creating natural lip sync and nuanced facial expressions. Paired with Reallusion CC5's HD profiles and a MetaHuman compatible rig, this delivers expressive facial animation in real time. While Convai supports various avatar frameworks that we've covered previously, this tutorial focuses specifically on Reallusion Character Creator assets in Unreal Engine. By the end of the tutorial, you'll have a fully conversational Reallusion character ready for training simulations, interactive NPCs, XR experiences, brand avatars, and a wide range of other interactive experiences. Let's get started. We're starting off with a preloaded avatar inside the Reallusion Character Creator 5 tool. To load a character, simply navigate to Project under Templates, then CC Project, and select any character you desire. Now let's start by adding animation. Click on Animation and look for an idle animation. I've previously used idle 03, which is a pretty subtle animation, so I'll be reusing it by dragging it onto the avatar. Here's a quick test. Next, right-click on the animation and select Find File. This should open up the animation directory. Right-click and copy the address. Then go to Motion, Perform, Perform List Editor. Click Add and paste the address. Select the animation and click Open. Feel free to add other animations from the same directory. We're also going to add a talking animation, which is completely optional. It's best to pick animations that don't have lip sync. Let's drag this standing and talking animation onto the character. Here's a quick test. We'll again need to add this to the performance list. Right-click on the animation, click Find File, copy the address, and go to Perform, Perform List Editor, click Add, paste the path, and finally select the animation. Now that we have all the animations ready, we can export our avatar. Click File, Export, FBX, and select Clothed Character. Set the Target Tool preset as Unreal UE5 and set the FBX option to Mesh and Motion. Feel free to increase the max texture size. Next, ensure that Custom is checked and click the icon to load Perform. Also ensure that Delete Hidden Faces is checked. Finally, click Export, OK. Give the file a name, and hit Save. It should take a few minutes to export the avatar. While that happens, let's set up our Unreal Engine environment by downloading the CC Auto Setup, which can be found linked in the description. Double-click on the Auto Setup file, click Next, accept the terms, and click Next again. It's very important to know where the destination folder is, so copy the directory path for now. Give it a few minutes to install. Once it's done, open the destination folder by pasting the directory path. We're using UE 5.7, so we'll go to that folder and copy the content and plugins folders. I've set up a simple Unreal Engine project, so I'll paste the content and plugins folders there. Now, let's launch the project. As you can see, this is a simple first-person project. Reallusion Character Creator has finished exporting our avatar, so now let's import it into the project. To do that, we'll create a new folder. This is where my Reallusion avatar has been exported. So I'll drag the FBX file into the Unreal Engine project. When you see the import prompt, click OK. Give it a few seconds and you should see the import pop up. Ensure that all settings match mine. Check import animations and set the custom sample rate to 30 FPS, as sometimes animations get imported at a very high rate, which can be problematic. Expand the advanced menu and check Import Morph Targets and click Import All. Ignore the warning pop-up if you see it. Now let's verify that the character was imported correctly by opening the skeletal mesh. Everything looks good and there are no deformations. The morph targets have also been imported successfully. Next, go to Motion and double-click on the animation to confirm it runs smoothly. It's important to ensure that the first and final frame of the animation are the same. If not, try importing another animation. Now we can integrate AI into the avatar using Convai. If you need help installing the plugin, check the video linked in the description. To enable the plugin, go to Edit, Plugins, search for Convai, and enable it. Then just restart the project. Once it reopens, you'll be prompted to sign into your Convai account. After signing in and authenticating, just close the window. To verify that you're logged in, click on the Convai icon, and you'll see the dashboard, which will confirm your status. Next, go to the character folder and create a new blueprint class. Choose Actor and rename it. Inside the blueprint, add a skeletal mesh component, and under Mesh, select your Reallusion avatar. Then add the BP Convai Chatbot component. To get the character ID for the Chatbot component, head over to the Convai website. You can create a new character or select an existing one. I'll be using an existing character with a simple backstory. You can tweak settings such as speaking style, language, voice, and more. Once done, copy the character ID and paste it into the character ID field inside Unreal. Now drag and drop the avatar into the scene. If we press play now, we won't be able to talk to the character. To enable conversation, we need to tweak the player blueprint. Press Shift F1 in play mode to unlock the cursor. Click Detach and navigate to your player character, and click Edit Blueprint. Click Add and select the BP Convai player component, then just compile and save. Now let's try talking to the character. Hey, hello, can you hear me?
Hey there, loud and clear. Just wrapping up some network diagnostics here at the college. What's up?
It's working, but there are no animations. Let's fix that. Head to the drive link in the description, download the zip file, and extract it. Copy the animation blueprint asset, which binds the animation assets with logic, into the content folder inside your project files. Now restart the editor. You should now see the animation blueprint. Double-click it and select your Reallusion avatar's skeleton. Open the animation graph, and in the content drawer, go to Character, Motion, and import the specified animations. Drag, drop, and connect them accordingly. If drag and drop doesn't work, right-click, type play, and manually select the animation by name. Repeat this process for all specified animations. The transition animation, used between states, should be set to the idle animation. Talking animations are optional. You can use only the idle animation if needed, but ensure all animations are set to loop. Compile and save. Now select the character and open Edit Blueprint. Under Animation class, assign the Convai Reallusion Animation Blueprint. Now let's test it again. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine. What's up? Just finishing up a quick check on the college's network before the rush. Always something, right? So, what's on your mind?
The talking and idle animations are working, but we're still missing facial animation. To fix this, open the character blueprint, click Add, and search for FaceSync. Under Convai, set the lip sync mode to MetaHuman Blend Shapes. If your character is CC4 instead of CC5, choose the AR Kit option instead. Compile, save, and test again. Hey, can you tell me about you?
I'm Tom. I handle IT for a community college. I follow sports, but my true interest is astrophysics, specifically figuring out dark matter.
Can you tell me an interesting story about your findings in astrophysics?
Oh, I don't have findings, not in an official research sense. I'm an enthusiast, a hobbyist. But I can tell you about a concept that blew my mind, the idea of gravitational lensing. Imagine a massive galaxy cluster. Something
So that was how to integrate your Reallusion CC5 characters with AI using Convai. If you have integration related questions, feel free to ask on our community page at forum.convai.com. To start building your own intelligent and fully interactive AI agents, head over to convai.com and explore our documentation and tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again very soon.